2014 Toyota Tundra. Tundra has a number of unique features useful for those using it as a work truck, including extra-large door handles, a deck rail system, and an integrated tow hitch. Included as standard are vehicle stability control, traction control, electronic brake force distribution, anti-lock brakes, and tailgate assist. With a towing capacity of up to 10,000 pounds and a payload capacity of over 2,000 pounds, the Tundra is the perfect mix of power and efficiency. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, traction control, backup camera, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, cruise control, four-wheel drive, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo radio, child safety locks, MP3 player, power door locks, passenger airbag, CD player, power windows, daytime running lights. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.